Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Lemon cucumbers, the most refreshing summer ingredient you need to try. Lemon cucumbers might look like small, round yellow tomatoes, but they're actually one of the most refreshing summer vegetables you'll find. With a crisp texture and a subtle citrusy note, they're a favorite for salads, infused waters, and chilled summer soups. These little gems stay cool even in hot weather, making them perfect for light, hydrating dishes. Their mild, slightly sweet flavor pairs effortlessly with herbs like mint and basil, or a splash of lime. No peeling required, just slice and enjoy. If you haven't tried them yet, this is the summer to change that. What are lemon cucumbers? Lemon cucumbers are a unique cucumber variety that stands out for their bright yellow hue and round shape, almost like a tiny melon. Unlike traditional long, green cucumbers, these are small, crisp, and slightly sweeter, with a faint citrus undertone that makes them surprisingly refreshing. They're ideal for light summer dishes, quick snacks, or even as a garnish for drinks. Description and appearance. These cucumbers are about the size of a lemon, hence the name, typically 2 to 3 inches in diameter when fully ripe. Their skin starts pale green and matures to a deep yellow, sometimes with faint white speckles. Thin and tender, the skin doesn't need peeling, just rinse and eat. The flesh inside is firm, juicy, and nearly seedless, making them perfect for raw preparations. You'll often find them at farmers' markets in mid to late summer when the heat brings out their best texture and flavor. Flavor profile and nutritional benefits. Mild and slightly sweet with a subtle tang, lemon cucumbers taste like a cross between a classic cucumber and a hint of lemon zest, without the acidity. They're incredibly hydrating, about 95% water, and pack a crisp bite that works well in salads, pickling and infused water. Nutritionally, they're low in calories but rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. The high water content also makes them a cooling snack on hot days. Want a fun twist? Toss them with salt and chili powder for a quick, crunchy snack, no prep needed. Why lemon cucumbers are refreshing? Lemon cucumbers aren't just cute. They're nature's way of keeping you cool and satisfied in the summer heat. Their crisp texture, subtle sweetness, and hydrating properties make them a go-to for light meals and snacks. Let's break down what makes them so refreshing. High water content. At 95% water, lemon cucumbers are basically edible hydration. Every crunchy bite helps replenish fluids, making them ideal for hot days or after workouts. Unlike sugary sports drinks or sodas, they deliver moisture without the extra calories. Add them to salads for a juicy crunch. Cold soups like gazpacho. Infused waters with mint or berries. Their water-rich flesh also helps balance electrolytes, thanks to natural potassium. Bright and tangy flavor. The hint of citrus in lemon cucumbers sets them apart from regular cukes. It's not overpowering, just a light, fresh note that wakes up your taste buds. This makes them perfect for dishes that need a lift without added acidity. Try them sliced raw with a sprinkle of flaky salt. Tossed in yogurt dips with dill or chives. Paired with grilled fish for contrast. Their light cucumber and lemon had a refreshing love child. Cooling effect on the body. In many cultures, cucumbers are considered a cooling food. Lemon cucumbers take this a step further with their high water content and mild flavor, which can help lower body temperature. Eating them chilled maximizes the effect. Think of them as a natural, edible air conditioner. Ways to stay cool. Freeze slices for ice-cold snacks. Blend into smoothies with coconut water. Layer in sandwiches instead of lettuce. They're the effortless upgrade your summer meals need. Ways to enjoy refreshing lemon cucumbers. Lemon cucumbers are summer's secret weapon for staying cool and satisfied. Their crisp texture and delicate citrus twist make them incredibly versatile, whether you're whipping up a quick salad, infusing water, or preserving them for later. Here's how to make the most of their refreshing vibe. In salads and summer dishes, lemon cucumbers shine in salads, adding a juicy crunch without stealing the spotlight. Their thin skin means no peeling, just slice, toss, and enjoy. Simple ways to use them. Classic cucumber salad, thinly sliced with red onion, dill, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Watermelon and feta combo, cubes of watermelon, lemon cucumber, crumbled feta, and fresh mint. Cold noodle bowls, sliced into matchsticks and tossed with soba noodles, sesame oil, and snap peas. For a no-cook summer meal, layer them with ripe tomatoes, avocado, and a sprinkle of flaky salt. The mild citrus note balances rich flavors like goat cheese or olives without overpowering them. That's it for part 1. Now you know what makes lemon cucumbers so special. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into some delicious ways to use them in your summer recipes. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.